Imitholampilo waseKlerksdorp kudinga ukuthi babuyisele izingane emuva zingagonyelwe izifo ezifana nesimungumungwane, uvendle kanye nezinye ngenxa yokuthi ayikho imigomo.
Since birth, she never had any vaccination because every time when we reach the clinic, they will say to us, sorry, they are out of stock. We must phone. My frustration is this little girl don't have any protection or any vaccination at all.
Njengabanye abazali, uVogamut ukhathazekile ngokuthi usana lwakhe lungahle lube sengozini uma kuqubuka izifo njengoba lungagomile.
But I feel really this babies is very, very important. And they also need not only the people to stop COVID. What an outbreak of measles or German measles or anything. Are we not worried about this? Because now there's no vaccination at all. And we are getting frustrated.
Ngokwinhlangano yezempilo emhlabeni iWorld Health Organization, ukubambezeleka kwezingane ukuthi zigome kuzibeka engcupheni yokugula. Iziphathimandla zezempilo ziyavuma ukuthi imitholampilo eminingi ezweni ayinayo imigomo kodwa zisebenza ngokusikhandla ukuxazulula lesimo.
They are out of stock, but there has been engagement with the suppliers who are supplying the province to remedy the situation. We know that it's an inconvenience, particularly to the parents.
Njengoba kuqhubeka ukugoma abantu begomela iCovid-19 ezweni, akucaci kahle ukuthi kuzoqhubeka nini ukugonywa kwezingane. Abazali bathi ukugonywa kwezingane kumele kuthathelwe phezulu njengokugomela abantu iCovid-19.